Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy Gazza9919 here, and what we're going to be doing today, if you remember in the last video I introduced you to the new car Zara, the Vauxhall Zafira that I picked up for just £1,500. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving her first clean, and no disrespect to the person who I bought this off because they did give it a nice clean in and out, but I think what if we could do better with the products we have? So that's what we're going to be doing today, and obviously on top of it, it's got a bit dirty anyway because I've been driving it for about a week or so now, and obviously we've had snow, we've had rain and all that, so it's got a bit dirty, and I just want to give it a proper nice clean and a decent wax to see if we can keep that dirt off for that little bit longer. But without further ado, let's get into this. So that is the outside of the car, nice and clean with the Maguire's wax and whatnot. So now we're going to focus on the inside of the car. And because it's been quite well cleaned out from when I got it, it's had a good vacuum and whatnot, I'm just going to straight away attack the seats with this, the Maguire's carpet and interior cleaner. Because most of the carpet's nice and clean, I can literally apply it straight away and start attacking those stains and hopefully getting them off, because I mean, realistically, with stains in a car like that, it's as to be expected. You know, there's kids in the car, they've got like sticky fingers and things like that, so, and they're going to be spilling things, so it's as to be expected. But hopefully we can get most of those stains off today, so let's get on it. So that's just had one bit of treatment. We're going to leave that to dry and see how that turns out. Also, I've just figured out a really cool thing with this seatbelt. Like, say if these seats aren't in use, then you can just pop this back over. Saves the seatbelts getting damaged or anything. So it's quite a cool little flap. Wicked hidden feature. Right then, so that is all the seats sprayed and scrubbed, so now it's just a case of letting them dry. I think maybe I'll come back in a couple of hours or something, see how they're getting on. So it's been left for about an hour, still seems to need to dry for a bit. Maybe another layer needs going on. So look at the back deck. I didn't really bother with that one because that one's fine, it was just this one had a bit of staining on it. But again, it might need another coat of stain removal. So I think we'll come back in like another hour or something and see how it's getting on. So it hasn't exactly done an amazing job as far as stains are concerned, but I think maybe we need another secondary sort of scrub through and see if that makes a difference. Right then, so that is it for this video. I've given the car its first clean. Well, first clean under my ownership, should I say. Some of those stains, like, it will take about 2 to 3 times to get them out, but we will, I've got a strong feeling that we will defeat them eventually. But that is it for this video, guys, and if you did enjoy it, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and maybe even hit that bell icon for notifications on future uploads. But until the next time, guys, peace.